Hey Cruiser, welcome back to Cruiser Chris Craft. I'm Josh Wells and the winter season is here, which means holiday time.
Cool chill of the holiday air.
We're still hard at work with our scaffolding project for good old Stargazer. Part 2 of the scaffolding project will be here in 2 weeks. In the meantime, let's gather around the fireplace with good old Stargazer and celebrate this holiday season together. We released an album for this holiday season with all your favorites. We published it as a standalone video for you to enjoy with your family. You'll also have the ability to simply click on the end card at the end of this video. It is a gift from our family to yours.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas.
Time Life Music presents the greatest collection of Christmas songs ever assembled.
Simply having a wonderful cruising time.
Nothing brings back warm holiday memories like the songs and carols you love. So call now and have yourself a Merry Christmas.
To order, call 1-800-713-4747.
Happy holiday, Cruiser. We love you. No matter what holiday you take part in, during this time of the year, it is wonderful to celebrate together. It feels like we're celebrating the birth of a new year, or just happy to face one more year of our lives. So let's raise our glasses and our voices to the moments we have together.
A Festivus for the rest of us!
The best part of getting older is having more to celebrate than you had before. We've had you and Stargazer in our life for just over a year now. While it's easy to get caught up on the hardships and the moments that challenged us as a crew, we find reflecting on the hardships and how we got through them is simply a piece of the human experience. Which is, my understanding, the message of this holiday season.
I want to do something big and something important.
You know, George, I feel that in a small way we're doing something important. It's satisfying a fundamental urge.
The holidays are truly about giving back to the people and communities who support us. It's about the betterment of humanity as a whole.
Yes, you, my good fellow. What day is today?
Today? Why, it's Christmas Day, of course.
Christmas Day. I'm as merry as a schoolboy!
We achieve this by doing selfless acts, often through the form of gifts or kind gestures.
This is a lamb!
These values in which we live by and the institutions that we support can easily be forgotten. But we don't do it intentionally, but as a side effect. When we get overwhelmed with our own hurdles, stressors, emotions that plague our everyday thoughts, that's what makes us human and resilient. All the boats down south love the holidays a lot, but Stargazer that lived just north of the south did not. Stargazer hated the winter, the whole snowy holiday season. Oh, please don't ask why. No one quite knows the reason. It could be the snow that falls all season. It could be her helm was not screwed on for some reason. But I think the most likely reason of all is her heart is 2 sizes too small. But whatever the reason, her heart or the snow, she stood there just wanting it all to go. I know what I have to do, Stargazer thought as she snarled with a sneer. Tomorrow is practically here. Then she growled with her grinchy fingers nervously drumming. I must find some way to keep it from coming.
You should read the new book Mark Twain's writing now. I jumped in to save George.
You what? To save me?
Well, I did, didn't I? You didn't go through with it, did you?
Go through with what?
Suicide.
Oh, it's against the law to commit suicide around here.
Yeah, it's against the law where I come from, too. That's why I jumped in. I knew if I were drowning, you'd try to save me. You see, you did. And that's how I saved you.
Very funny.
Your lip's bleeding, George.
Yeah. I got a bust in the jaw in answer to a prayer a little bit ago.
Oh, no, George. I'm the answer to your prayer.
When you feel like the world has busted you in the jaw, you can blame it on a bad day. However, it's a time like this where we're reminded that our hardships cannot be swept aside, claiming it's due to a force outside of our control.
We'll take your corn at the price you quoted yesterday.
Too late. If you wait until tomorrow, it'll cost you another 5%.
Damn it, Scrooge, it's not fair.
No, but it's business. I'll give you a moment to make up your minds.
These reminders come in the form of angels,
Clarence Oddbody, AS2,
ghosts.
You will be haunted by 3 spirits.
Or even the community that surrounds us, whom joins together in the goal of being the very best we can be. We can feel as if the world is against us. But it's through each other we are able to find our new purpose and the thrill of life.
Men's courses will foreshadow certain ends. I accept it.
We recognize where we've been, where we are, and where we're going. We can reflect on the growth we've experienced together.
And a happy new year to the world!
Every who down in Whoville, the tall and the small, was singing without any presents at all. And what happened then? Well, in Whoville, they say that the Grinch's small heart grew 3 sizes that day.
Please! I want to live again! I want to live again! I want to live again. Please, God, let me live again. Bert, do you know me?
Know you? You kidding? I've been looking all over town trying to find you. I saw your car piled into that tree down there, and I thought maybe you... Hey, your mouth's bleeding. Are you sure you're all right?
What did... My mouth's bleeding, Bert! My mouth's bleeding! Zuzu pedals! Zuzu... There they are! Yay! Hello, Bedford Falls! Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas, George!
Merry Christmas, movie house! Merry Christmas, Emporium! Merry Christmas, you wonderful old building and loan!
Every year without fail, the holidays bring us the reminders of who we are, what's important, and how we're there for those who needed support. There's nothing more thrilling than the joy of being surrounded by love and kindness, whether it's the love of our family, friends, or community. Feeling love and appreciation is a part of the experience. While it may be difficult sometimes, the message of the holiday season is very apparent. Celebrating love and being the best we can for the betterment of humanity, time and time again.
That's right. That's right. Attaboy, Clan.
Thanks for joining us today, Cruiser. We love you. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below. And in the comments, let us know how you're giving back to your community this holiday season. What charitable acts are you doing to make someone's day a little bit brighter? Until next time, I'm Josh Wells. And remember, Jacob Marley once said, "Mankind is my business. The common welfare was my business. charity, mercy were all my businesses. Or something like that. See you soon, Cruiser. Have a great holiday. We love you.